Story 43. A pious man saw an acrobat in great dudgeon, full of wrath and foaming at the mouth. He asked, "What is the matter with this fellow?" A bystander said, "Someone has insulted him," he remarked. "This base wretch is able to lift 1,000 mun of stones, and has not the power to bear one word. Abandon thy claim to strength and manliness. Thou art weak-minded and base, whether thou be a man or woman. If thou art able, make a sweet mouth. It is not manliness to strike the fist on a mouth." Well, there are better places to hit, right? But that's not the point. Although able to tear up an elephant's front, he is not a man who possesses no humanity. A man's nature is of earth. If he is not humble, he is not a man. You know, there's the strength card, right? And the strength card is about using your desire and your strength, not whatever this, you know, not per se how able such is, but how you use what you have.